Hi and welcome to this 2017 67 plate Mclaren 720S Performance Edition. Let's have a wander around this vehicle. Let's show you some of these features. As you can see, it's in this Saros grey. We've got these beautiful white tron lines going around the front splitter of this car. Carbon packs 1 and 2. This car benefits from ceramic brakes, being Performance Edition. And it's got the lightweight 19-inch wheels, which you've had done there in this gloss black, which I think is very, very in keeping to follow the gloss black over the roof and other areas of the car. Carbon wing mirror caps. Very good looks, this car. It's more of a, looks like a fighter jet, to be fair, the lines on this vehicle. Obviously, performance exhaust system, being a performance car. Tron lines on the rear, following the rear splitter down as well. It's a lovely touch. It makes the car feel a bit lower and squats to the ground. You've got the Gorilla Glass on the roof of this car. There have been a few issues in these in the past, but these are brand new and been replaced. Obviously, soft closed doors, which is a must, so you don't break the Gorilla Glass. You've got the Alcantara and the leather, so you've got a bit of split of both of those there. Carbon fibre steering wheel. You've got the Bose & Wilkins speaker system. Covered 12,200 miles. Just been serviced at McLaren Manchester. It's fresh for a service, fresh for a year. All of our vehicles come with a 6-month warranty as well. And it's very, very, very keenly priced. Currently on our website today, available today, ready to go today. So do give us a call at Hardy Automotive. Thank you.